In this video, we will learn how to get this job, electrical engineer, electric vehicle charging solution. These jobs are very popular these days because loads of electric cars are on road and they need engineers who can install the electric charging points. So for example, this company, Energy Force Limited, they offering 35 to 45,000 pounds. Some jobs are also offering visa sponsorship. So this job is currently saying this postcode, but most of the companies are looking all over the UK. So there are loads of jobs opening regarding this. And these are the qualifications they're looking for. Now, how to get these qualifications? How to start? Where to start from? So for that, let me show you the Institute of Motor Industry. The website is theimi.org.uk. If you go on this website, go down, you will see on the right side in the results section where you have all courses and qualifications, you will see electric vehicle safe working practices. This is the course where you start from. Then you have IMI, electric vehicle safe working practices, and then you have vehicle electrics one. So these are the prices for the course, and this is where you start from. The next website is LCS Awards. So the website is lcsawards.co.uk. You go on this website. In the qualification section, you will see level 3 award in the installation and commissioning of electric vehicle charging equipment in domestic, commercial and industrial location. So this is the course which you need to do. This is the general information, how long it will take, what qualification you will get, and then this explains that what are the prerequisite and fees and etc. If I click the fees, it's 63.35 pound. Now this is the basic where you start from. Reason where I'm getting this from, so if we go back on the ad, we can see clearly level 3 award installation and commissioning of EV charging equipment, preferred but not essential. The next important course is 18th edition wiring and regulation. So this is one of the most important courses. This will cost you 144 pound. But why we need this course is because if we go back on the job ad, this is where it says 18th edition wiring regulation and certification. If you have this IET, then you can get this job as well. So without these qualifications, you are nothing. Even if you have a degree, you don't. But if you have entered, like let's suppose you are on graduate visa and you're struggling to find a job, you are struggling to, trade jobs are the best. It's easy to get them. There are loads of trade jobs. For example, health and safety, for example, construction, for example, forklift, and these can like electrical jobs as well, and this installation of the electrical charging point. Why this is in boom? Because obviously next 5 years, everyone needs the electrical charging station at their home. So if you have these qualifications, you can get these jobs. So this explains that what courses you need, what is this course is about, what this is about, like this explains you everything. And they also have provided you the book, the course only, that's 144, course and exam 288, course and home exam is 288, take the exam only is 196 pounds. So everything is provided. You only just need to look for the direction, what you can do, what is your interest. On my channel, I've created loads of videos in which I've explained that what other jobs you can get, for example, how to become a MOT tester or vehicle technicians or data scientist or DevOps engineer. So there is loads of content on my channel. It's all free. Watch it and help yourself.